Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, we'll be looking on two items that I received recently. The first one is a 1 TB NVMe SSD drive, and the other one is a NVMe SSD enclosure. Now, one is from the enclosure is from UGreen, and the other one is, as I said before, Western Digital. So let's see how the read and write speeds are. Let's see how what it takes to get these drives up. I'll be doing an unboxing to show you what's inside, and yeah, let's go along on this journey. But first things first, as it relates to the NVMe, it comes with a user manual, just so you can see what's on it. So as I said before, it's 1 TB, and it's one of the mid-spec NVMe storages that Western Digital provides. So it's a bit in between, because you have the green and you have black, and you also have, I think it's red, and each one has a certain variance of capabilities. I think for this one, it's a M.2 2280 PCIe Gen 4 NVMe. So it's compatible with laptops, desktops, or even handheld devices. So definitely will be looking to see how it operates, right? Alright, so let's get to taking out the enclosure so we can fit in the external. Alright, so now that we've taken out the enclosure from UGreen, alright, so first thing, we have the Type C to Type C connection. We also have Type C to USB, and this is the enclosure. We also have the outer I would say rubber frame. It's supposed to help with grip and shock resistance if it falls, and it has a very interesting design. So all I do here is push and it opens, and with this you can see inside of the enclosure. You can see the connection. You also see the little knob right here that holds down the NVMe in place once you put it in. Alright, so let's get to actually installing it. Alright, so first things first, let me position it. Okay. Alright, so it has now been installed and I fixed inside the holding spot for the NVMe. Now I'm going to insert it inside the actual enclosure. So let's get to it. So with that, it's inside, and just remember, just to get it out, you just push. I'm also going to put on this just for the fun of it. Alright, so now it's on. So let's get to actually connecting it to my laptop and see how it operates. Alright, so it's currently connected. You won't see any lights on because it needs to be initialized on the actual laptop. So right now nothing's there. However, I'm going to change the view so that you guys can have a better appreciation for this. So hold on for a bit. Alright, so now that we're on the computer, let's get actually initializing this. So I'm going to go to this management, and we're going to be prompted. So we're prompted to actually create something. create a partition with this storage. All right. So what if you can see, you would see 9.3151 GB and unallocated, right? I'll be using the partition. It's more appropriate for this use case. So I'm going to just use that. All right. All right. So now that I've used that, I can then go here. I can go create new simple volume. Go next. Uh, do I want to? Let's go A for now, but this will eventually need to change. Huh. All right. So let's go A. Uh, don't want to give it a name. I'll just keep default. That's okay. All right. Finish. All right. So now it's a now a new volume. If I click here, I can go to it, and voila! Now we have a drive that's now accessible, having 9.31 GB of storage, which is good. All right. So this concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. All right.